Hello you guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today I want to just give you guys a really quick video on how I made that set using water decals. Super fun, super easy. I have water in one jar and acetone in the other jar. That is the brush I'll be using just like as a cleanup brush. I'll show you guys as we go. And then just some regular scissors, and I'm going to be cutting out each individual piece, and then I will show you what we do next. Okay, so you want to make sure that you remove that little clear film so that way it doesn't get stuck onto the water decal when it's in the water. And then I like to cut around as close as I can to the decal, and then I will throw it in water. And it really depends on the decals that you're using, like how long it takes in the water. Sometimes it can be a quick little 10 seconds, sometimes it's a good 30 seconds. These ones were taking closer to 30 seconds. I'm not sure. I don't know why. But yeah, they were taking closer to 30 seconds. But if you can't like just very gently like pull it off, then just put it back in the water and wait just a little bit longer. And then I'm just gonna go in, and I wanted to do Frenchies and then just throw on some little designs just to have fun with it. And Jack, I feel like, is really big right now, so I was like, what do I even have? And these ones are like right on top of my little stack of Halloween stuff. So yeah, I just chose these, and then I thought I'd record it and show you guys. But yeah, I'm just fitting it onto the very tip of the French, and then you kind of have some time to play with it. Like right now I'm just smoothing it out, molding it to the nail as best as I can, and then I'm gonna go in with my cleanup brush and I'm gonna dip it in some acetone, and then I'm just gonna press it onto the decal, and it literally like eats away the decal. So be careful not to put it on like areas you don't want to get messed up. But yeah, it just removes whatever part you don't need, and then that's it, you're done. So I accidentally I accidentally put one of the decals in the acetone, and oh my gosh, I'm so glad I caught it super fast, like you're gonna see right now. I accidentally put her in there and I like freaked out. I thought it was gonna eat it up, but it took a couple seconds, and then I realized, oh my gosh. So I switched it as fast as I could, and honestly it didn't do anything to it, so thankfully I was able to like move that really fast. But yeah, so I'm just gonna have that one sit for a little bit, and then I will be back. Then I don't know if it was because of the acetone or not, because it was in there for not even long, but this decal gave me the most trouble. Like that little piece flipped and I thought it was stuck, so I ended up like re-wetting it, and then it came right off. But yeah, this decal gave me the most trouble, and it was the one that I accidentally put in acetone, so I don't know if that was the cause, but overall it came out just fine. But yeah, this one just gave me a little more trouble. And then yeah, I'm just gonna fit all of them on there, and then there's one more thing that I do at the very end with some black gel polish, just to like kind of make the decals more seamless with the black French. So I'll show you that. And then yeah, these are just like a super fun, super easy set, especially if like if you don't have time to draw something, or if you don't know how, or if you want like a quicker process. Water decals are amazing. Like don't think just because so many people are artsy and like can draw stuff, and you know that you have to do that too. The amount of decals and foils that I have and I use is insane, and I mean to me, art is art. Like, if you know, I don't know. I love working with decals and foils, and you can still make the nails look like really, you know, hand drawn or hand painted if that's the look you're going for, but you can't do it. There's ways around using decals or foils, even as like a stencil. I've done that in the past as well. And yeah, it makes the nail look a little more, I don't know, like you give it just a little some. And yeah, it's just, I don't know, I just love it all. I love nail art in general, so I'll be like touching on a lot of nail art on my channel. But yeah, this was just for something fun. If you're in like a pinch for time or something like that and you need to do water decals, it's super easy to do. You just dip the water, you cut all the decals out, take the clear film off, dip them in water, and then place them on the nail where you want them. And they basically form to the nail. And then with these ones, I'm actually going to be doing a little bit more of like my black gel polish just to like make them more seamless into the French. But normally, if you just like it how it is, you just put your top coat and then you're done. Like, it's super simple to do water decals. Okay, so right here, really quick, I wanted to show you guys why I was putting the gel polish. So on all of the little pieces of the decal, there was like a little white area around it, and it was just like printed from, you know, the decal. But I didn't want that to show. I wanted the entire background to be black, just like the French, so it could blend in. So I just outlined it a little bit, and then that was really it. Like, it's so simple, you guys. The littlest things can make the biggest difference, honestly. And that's with anything, not just nail art, but really, like, the smallest things can make the biggest difference. And so I'm just outlining the part that I want to be super black, and that way it'll blend in with the French, and then that is it. Okay, so now we are gonna go in with the top coat, and this thumbnail had like a little piece of lint on it and it would not come off. It was bothering me, so I just went in with the alcohol wipe really quick and wiped it. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna go in on all the rest of the nails with top coat. And when I like did the top coat, I realized that there was like a little bit of a lumpiness where I outlined the decals. So after I top coat and cure, I go back in with a buffer and kind of buff it out to smooth it out, and then I'll do my finish file. and then I'll box. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and let you guys watch that process, and then I will be back. Okay, so that was it for this video. I finished buffing and filing, so now I'm just adding that top coat, and then I'm gonna box them and show you guys what they look like all boxed. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of water decals. Do you like them? Do you not like them? Did I teach you anything in this video, or did you already know, all about water decals, or is there anything else you would like to know, or a slowed down version? Just let me know down below. And then yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and yeah, that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and be sure to check out my one-on-one experience series that just started the month of October, and we are only 2 episodes in, so get in early and learn all things nails in real time with me. Everything will be step by step. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.